Hi guys and girls, this is Atif and you're watching my channel Moon333 where I'm posting the trading ideas and different assets and also educational stuff. And if you didn't subscribe to my channel so far, then do subscribe it for more profit potential trading ideas and educational videos. And do remember that the information I'm providing in this video is for educational purpose only. This is not intended to be investment advice. So please seek a duly licensed professional for investment advice. The 2019 is gonna be ended, and we're just stepping in next year, the 2020. And let's have a look on the Bitcoin performance in the year of 2019. Definitely, the 2018 was not a good year for the Bitcoin holders and the traders as well. But the 2019 was definitely a very, very tremendous year and very spectacular year as we see the performance of the Bitcoin was dominant among all the assets, not even in the cryptocurrencies. If we see comparatively to the different assets like commodities, stocks, forex, and other assets, the Bitcoin was the prominent. This is the Bitcoin chart. And this is the Bitfinex Bitcoin chart. I'm just taking you to the live chart. And this is the 1 week chart. And here you can see this was the lowest point was on, if we see only the lowest point from 2019, not from the 2018. And the first candle of 2019 is here, and the lowest point was $3,570, and the highest point was $13,764. And just placing the measurement tool from here, from this candle up to this candle. So approximately we have 285% or around 300% gains if we see the Bitcoin move from the lowest point of 2019 up to the highest point so far of 2019. And here in the month of June, we have seen that the Bitcoin started moving down because there was another factor that in June 2019 the Facebook announced that they're gonna launch their cryptocurrency Libra very soon in the year of 2020. So there was a fear factor among the Bitcoin holders and the miners and the traders as well, and we have seen extreme sell-off has been started since June 2019 up to here so far. And the lowest point we have so far after June 2019, that was the $6,477. So from here, from the highest point of 2019 up to the lowest point, it has dropped almost 50%. It has lost its value. So now we can see here the candles are consolidated, but if we see the current price is around $7,200. This is the current price of the Bitcoin at this time. So if we see from here, from the lowest point of the 2019, from the January 7th candlestick of week chart of BTC USD up to here, then at this point we are also more than 100%. We are in more than 100% profit or gains. And the fear factor, which was the reason of this drop, was the traders and miners and Bitcoin holders were thinking that because the Facebook is gonna launch the Libra, their cryptocurrency, then the regulatory authorities will proceed or expedite the procedure of cryptocurrency regulation, and that procedure will be now more fast. Therefore, there was an extreme sell-off we have seen here. Now, but however, if we see the Bitcoin performance comparatively to the other assets, even from the different markets, like for example, if we see from the CFDs, the gold, for example, and we can see this is the gold performance, and this is the first candlestick of 2019, all right, and this is now we have this price of gold. That is the current price is $1,517, and at the very first candle we have the lowest price that is 1235. Now I'm just placing the measurement tool, and now we can see from there, from the lowest point of 2019 up to so far, uh, we are almost uh, in 23% profit. But if we see the Bitcoin is at the year end today, we are more than 100% profit. And for example, if we see from the indexes, that is the very famous S&P 500 SPX. Then we can see this is the first candlestick of January 2019. Sorry, here. And from here, this candlestick's lowest point up to the current position, if we measure the price performance, then we can see we are almost in 29% profit, more than 29%. That is nothing comparatively to the Bitcoin. But if we see the Bitcoin, BTC, USD, US dollar, then we can see we are at this time, even after this drop, we are more than 100% profit from uh, January 7th candlestick up to so far. We are more than 100% profit. And that is nothing if we see this performance of the Bitcoin comparatively to the previous performances of the Bitcoins in the previous years, then we'll see this performance is definitely nothing as compared to the previous performance. Let me just show you. I've just published this chart today, and here I have, this is even a complete article you can find on my uh, portal or page on the Tradingview. I've also shared the link in the in the video's description of the Tradingview. When you will click on the link, you just need to like if you will click on the link, you will be on the Tradingview like this. You just need to click on the people option from here, select the people option, and write my username moon333, and you will find my link. You just need to click the link and you'll find all my charts which I have published here. And this is my Bitcoin chart, and here I have depicted the complete performance overview, a concise overview in this article. This is a short and concise article. You can visit my page on the Tradingview and you can find it. All right, here you can see this is the year 2016. In 2016, we have more than 5,400% gains. And if we see the very famous rise of Bitcoin in the year of 2017, when the Bitcoin hits the $20,000, then we can see we had more than 1,300% gains. So this 100% gain is nothing if we compare this performance. Even we see if we see the performance from the lowest point up to the highest point that is more than or around 300%, then even though this performance is nothing as compared to the previous performances of the Bitcoin with the previous years. But uh, anyhow, if we see that the current position of the Bitcoin, that is very spectacular comparatively to the other assets, uh, from the stocks, from the commodities, from the indexes, Bitcoin is above all. It is more than at more than 100% gains. And definitely we have seen, if we compare to the all other cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin was the only cryptocurrency which was performing very well in 2019, and I'm expecting that Bitcoin will be performing very good in the 2020 as well. So soon I'll post another video on a complete technical analysis in the year of 2020, how the Bitcoin will be performing. And also I've also shared my short-term analysis with that, and I will also share my mid-term and long-term analysis as well in the year of 2020. So this was the complete and concise and very short Bitcoin performance analysis of year of 2019. Hope you all liked the video. Uh, Soon I'll post the more predictions about the Bitcoins and all of the cryptocurrencies and different assets. If you didn't subscribe to my channel, then do subscribe it and do hit the like. Take care. Goodbye.